Welcome to this tutorial on removing the pagination block from your WordPress site within a matter of minutes. In this step-by-step guide, you will learn how to navigate through WordPress and disable the pagination feature for a cleaner website layout. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and going directly to the WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner where you will find the login option. Click on it to proceed with accessing your website's backend. After clicking login, you will notice an option that says continue with Google. Choose this option to simplify the sign-in process and then select the account you wish to use. This method streamlines the login process, especially for users who have multiple accounts or prefer using a single sign-on approach. This step is designed to make your experience more secure and faster without the need to remember additional passwords. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the WordPress dashboard. Look for the section clearly labeled as Quick Links. Within this area, locate and click on Edit Site. This function gives you direct access to your site's editor, where you can make various adjustments, including the removal of the pagination block. Now that you are inside the site editor, direct your attention toward the upper right corner of the screen. Here you will see an icon represented by 3 dots, which is the gateway to further customization options. Click on the 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu containing additional settings. Within the drop-down menu, find the option labeled Preferences and click on it. The Preferences section allows you to adjust a wide range of settings related to your website's appearance and functionality. It is here that you can access various controls that affect how content blocks are managed throughout your site. After entering the Preferences menu, navigate through the settings until you find the option that relates to blocks. By clicking on blocks, you are presented with a list of toggle switches and settings specific to the arrangement and display of content blocks on your WordPress site. This section gives you the control to adjust which blocks are enabled or disabled, depending on your design preferences. In the block section, locate the setting for pagination. Here you will see the option to turn off the pagination block. Switching this setting to off will disable the feature, resulting in a website that no longer displays pagination controls. This is particularly useful if you prefer your content to flow on a single page, or if you've decided to use another method for content navigation. Following these steps allows you to remove the pagination block efficiently using the WordPress dashboard. The process is designed to be straightforward, ensuring that even users with limited technical knowledge can make the required adjustments on their site. By turning off the pagination feature, you can create a more streamlined and focused user experience for your visitors. Enjoy the simplicity and enhanced control over your site's layout that this process provides.